Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about wetlands. What is wetland? Why is it called Ramsar site? Importance of wetlands, reason for its depletion, etc. So here we go. So what is a wetland? In a simple language, we can say that a wetland is a place where the land is covered by water, be it marshes, ponds, lake, deltas, etc. So why do we call a wetland a Ramsar site? So what happened was in 1971 at a city called Ramsar in Iran, a treaty was signed by many national government for the sustainable use of wetland as it is important. So why wetlands are important? Wetlands have countless benefits like the services to the ecosystem they provide like flood control, fresh water supply, groundwater recharge, and more, they help in mitigation of climate change. Wetlands are also habitat of many aquatic floras and faunas. Many migratory birds also come here. It is also an important resource for sustainable tourism. Wetlands also act as a genetic reservoir for various species of plants. These ecologically important wetlands are getting depleted because of many anthropogenic reasons or man-made reasons. The first being excessive pollutants are dumped into wetlands like industrial effluents, domestic waste, agricultural runoff, etc. Second being habitat destruction and deforestation, which creates ecological imbalance. Third being conversion of wetlands for agriculture, overfishing and fish farming, overgrazing in marshy soil, removal of sand from beds near seas, which makes wetland vulnerable to wave action and tidal bore. So, what are the measures to protect wetlands? The first being the Ramsar Convention of Wetlands, which happened in 1971 in the city of Ramsar, which made it obligatory to any nation to declare at least one site from their nation as a Ramsar site. So, even India declared 37 sites till now as Ramsar site. Here we can see some factual information regarding Ramsar site. 2nd of Feb is celebrated as World Wetlands Day every year. The country with the most Ramsar site is UK, that is with 170, and Mexico being second with 142. And finally, Bolivia has the largest area under Ramsar protection. If you want to see my video on the list of Ramsar site in India, you can check the description given below, or you can click the I button here. This is the end of lesson, guys. Thank you.